Hello again, everybody, and welcome to this edition of Cogeco North Bay News, truly local television. I'm Greg Estabrooks. Some tense moments for a dump truck operator on Friday afternoon off of Main Street West. Fire crews responded to a truck fire in a yard off of Kirkpatrick Street shortly before 4 p.m. The cab of the truck was fully engulfed in flames. Check that when crews arrived on the scene. The flames were quickly knocked down. As you can see, lots of smoke, though. No injuries were reported by the fire department. The cause of the fire is not known as of broadcast time, and there it is.